Guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our weekly Monday altcoin update for our list of 27 altcoins. So I've just finished updating that spreadsheet, so we will go over and have a look. Let me just zoom this in a little bit. That's better, isn't it? So scroll this down. Yeah, so week 7, the totals are let me just get rid of this. Yeah, so week 7, we are overall from the beginning 131% up against 127% last week, and 70% up against BTC against 74% last week overall. So obviously it's not been the best week overall. With obviously Bitcoin's had a nice bit of a pump up. So obviously that's just happened today. These results obviously would have been better if I'd done it this morning, but I didn't. I did it this evening. So, but that's not a problem. It doesn't matter. It'll all iron itself out in the end when we do our results next week. So anything particular? Yeah, ChainX is a good one that's gone up this week, which I had quite a lot of. RLC is a good one that's gone up that I had as well. Synthetics, another good one that I had. ENG, I didn't have this one. I missed this pump. This is a big move in Engine. I think no, it's not Engine, called Enigma. That's it, in Enigma. It was on my, obviously it's on my list clearly, but missed that move. Cello, I have got Cello as well, and yeah, and the rest of them we've had a couple of biggish losers. Edgeware, which I hold a lot of, sadly. But that's not a problem. I sold some of it and added some and sold some, so worked the position a little bit. Plutus down quite a bit this week as well. Haven Protocol, KSM down a bit. I hold quite a bit of that, and Dot down a bit. But these are slightly. Oh, these. Oh, let's get rid of that. But yeah, I'm still very bullish on these though. Been accumulating more of these on this little dip as well. So yeah, that's it really overall. Not a lot else to say. Doing pretty well. This is week 7 completed. So yeah, pretty pleased with the performance of the list, and especially some of the coins that I had. So yeah, just quick update guys, quick update for the altcoins. So yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind just giving me a like, and yeah, remember it's not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, and I will speak to you guys later on with our interesting BTC update, because we've had quite a bit of wet and wild action over in those Bitcoin wick charts.